If the ringer is not working on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just check if your iPhone is on silent mode or not. For that, just press and hold the action button and check if your iPhone is on silent mode. If it is on silent mode, just remove it from silent mode and set it on ring. If your action button is set on a different action, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. In the control center, if silent mode is enabled, just tap on the bell icon and disable it. And there is also a third method. For that, just go to settings and tap on sounds and haptics. And over here, if silent mode is enabled, just disable this toggle and turn off silent mode. And also from here, if the ringtone and alerts volume is on low, just increase this slider. After you've done that, you will increase the ringtone volume on your iPhone. Also, if change with buttons is enabled, just disable it, because when this toggle is enabled, you might accidentally lower the volume of the ringtones using the volume buttons. Now, if you have done that, but if this did not fix your issue, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to your home screen and open the control center. In the control center, just open the focus modes. Now, if do not disturb mode or any other focus mode is enabled, just turn it off. Also, if you have set a schedule for any of the focus modes like do not disturb mode or sleep mode, just turn it off. To do that, just tap on the three dots in front of the focus mode like your do not disturb mode or sleep mode. Then tap on settings. And from here, just check if you have set any schedule or not. If you have set any schedule, just remove it from here. Now just do this with all the other focus modes. Then go to your home screen and do a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then just check the speakers on your iPhone and check if they're blocked by any dust or debris. If they're blocked, just clean the speakers of your iPhone using a soft brush. Also make sure that the brush you're using is dry. Now, the last thing you can do is just go to settings and tap on general. Under the general settings, just tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset. From this pop-up menu, just select reset all settings, then enter your lock screen PIN and select reset all settings. Now, by resetting all the settings, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the settings of your iPhone in case if you have enabled the setting which might be causing this issue. But if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the ringer is not working on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.